So let's graph this line, y equal to 2x minus 1. How do I graph this line anyway? There is a number of ways. One way is to build a table of points, right? So let's build a table of points. Let's just calculate some values of x. Sorry, assume some values of x, calculate y. If x is 0, for example, what is y?
Minus 1.
Put 0 here, so you get what? You get minus 1, right? If x is 1, suppose x is 1, right? What is 2 times 1 will give you 2 minus 1, so yeah, it's 1. Okay. You can also choose. You can keep going like this. I mean, you can choose 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Okay. But notice what an important point here. You calculated. Maybe you're not aware of it. This point is actually when x is 0. This is the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept, right? So why don't we also calculate the x-intercept here? Because it's good to know the x-intercept and the y-intercept, if possible, for any graph. Okay, that helps in the graphing. So this time I'm going to put y is 0 here. Okay, when you put y is 0, then 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, let's solve that one. Then 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, so that means 2x is equal to 1, and that means x equal to half, right? So I have here half of 0.5. So I got the x-intercept 0.5, okay, right here, and I got the y-intercept equal to minus 1. It's good to get the x-intercept and the y-intercept when you graph lines. One time put x is 0, and one time put y 0. You can choose any point you want, any number of points you want, but it's good to calculate the x and the y-intercept by putting x 0 one time, y 0 one time. Now let us graph this. Let's graph it. If you put this, in a Cartesian, coordinate system like this, okay, then 0 and minus 1, where is it going to be? 0 and minus 1 will be almost here, right? And 1 and 1 will be almost here. And then you have the 0 and the 0.5, which is here. Sorry, 0.5 and 0, I mean. 0.5 and 0, which is x-intercept here. And then all you have to do after that, suppose this is, the 1. This is the 1 also. This is minus 1 here. Okay? So, all you have to do after that is to connect. Okay, I'm just going to connect this together now. This will be my line. This will be my line. You plot the points and then connect them to get the line. Okay, remember this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And as you are expecting, the slope is positive too, so that's why it's in this direction. I cannot give you a equation like this with the slope is 2 and you graph it like this. You know immediately you made a mistake. You should know, it's like double check your answer. This is 2 positive slopes, it should look like this. Okay, it can never be like this.